Environment Day focuses on a specific theme to highlight pressing environmental issues ranging from air pollution and plastic.
By clapping your hands. Clap your hands to encourage the dancers on this great occasion. What a performance by our
Principal ma'am, dear teachers and judges, I am going to present a short speech on the topic of environment. Our environment consists of all living beings as well as their surrounding. A healthy environment is one that is sustainable for a long period of time. It is the source of life of time. It is good or bad quality of our life is depends on the quality of our natural environment. Our need for food, water, shelter and other things depends on the environment around us. There must be a balanced natural cycle that exists between the environment and lives of human beings, plants and other animals. Thank you and have a nice day.
my seniors and juniors. As we all know that we are here to celebrate Environment Day. But are we really caring about the environment? Today I am here to make you acknowledge about the soil, the constant process of its erosion and how to control it. As we all know that the soil is the most important component of our environment, is it possible that the soil goes bad naturally? If so, how? What would happen if soil become less fertile? Well, the answer to this is the process known as soil erosion. But what is it and how does it occur? Let us know more. The process in which the top fertile layer of the soil is lost. Due to this, the soil becomes less fertile. The top layer of the soil is very light, which is very easily carried out by wind, water and some human practices. Causes of soil erosion are various agents, but the ones which are controlled by us humans are overgrazing. When cattle are allowed to graze on the same field repeatedly, all available grass including the roots are eaten by them. This makes the topsoil vulnerable to the wind and flowing water, leading to soil erosion. The next is deforestation. Humans have taken land for forests to cultivate in order to feed the over-increasing population and to build houses, industries, etc. Cutting down trees on a large scale for these purposes is deforestation. When large areas of forests are cleared, the topsoil gets eroded by wind and flowing water. The main impacts of soil erosion are soil erosion destroys the most fertile section of the soil, which contains the majority of the nutrients, organic matter required by the plants, leaving behind the less fertile subsoil. As a result, the removal of seeds and seedlings, the soil becomes bare, making it more susceptible to erosion. It also decreases the soil's ability to hold the water. So the prevention for the soil erosion is called conservation of soil. Soil erosion can be prevented by the following ways. Afforestation. Planting new trees and plants is afforestation. We live because plants live. If plants die, all living things will also die. Thus, whenever trees are cut down, new trees should be planted. And the other one is crop rotation. Between harvesting one crop and planting the next crop, the fields are bare. There is a time period when the farmland does not have any crops. During this period, the farmer either grows grass or other crops to prevent the soil from erosion. This helps the soil to regain the lost minerals. The soil puts food on our plates, purifies our water, protects us against flooding, and combats drought. But a gradual process that occurs when the impact of water or wind detaches and removes the soil particles, causing the soil to deteriorate, resulting the soil to erode. So if we follow these small steps for soil conservation, we can separate and enjoy a beautiful future for our Mother Earth. That's all. I hope this long speech may bring a change in your innovative minds. Thank you.
And live younger. Save the trees and save the earth from pollution. Protect the earth. Chipko movement. Chipko literally means to cling. The movement got this name since people started hugging and loving onto trees when lumbermen tried to fell those. Amrita Devi and Sundarlal Bahuguna's active participation to safeguard the trees are remarkable contributions. Amrita Devi was killed in 1730 with her 3 daughters and other village ladies in the Kejari massacre while protecting the Kejari trees. Chipko movement was originally started in the 1970s by Sundarlal Bahuguna in Uttarakhand. He also gave the slogan, "Ecology is permanent economy." Hence, through these unforgettable sacrifices and contributions done by these exceptionally great people, we the students of class 11 are here to remind you about its importance in our lives and narrate a story inspired by the Chipko movement. Amrita Devi is found nurturing her trees.
Amma, what are you doing? I'm planting the trees. For what? You won't be able to taste the fruits anyways. I won't be here, but my grandchildren and their children would be here to taste the fruits.
the British general quite busy with the affair of his.
Sir, Sir, the production is totally gone down and we are need of food to balance the need of our people. So we have to take immediate efforts, sir.
I give you full power. The area is already covered with many trees. Take the people and sort out the matter. But our British people and army should not like anything at any cost.
But sir, the people,
What people?
I mean the villagers, they are totally depend on them for food, shelter and living.
Well, who cares? Just do what I say.
The government, after the orders were passed for cutting down all the trees, woodcutters were appointed to complete the task to the soonest.
The general has already ordered to cut down the trees within the end of the day, so no need to stop, alright?
Amrita Devi is informed by her daughter about the felling of the trees.
It's 11:30.
Amma, what happened? Why are you so restless? The Britishers instructed the cutters to cut our trees. What?
The woodcutters marching towards the trees.
The general has already passed the orders to cut down the trees. Let's go as soon as possible so that we can get paid.
Stop it! What you are doing?
The permission has been passed to cut down the trees.
Our life is in dealing with trees. We will never allow you to cut down the trees.
We will cut it down anyhow. We'll come back again tomorrow. But remember, we are leaving you today.
The government didn't give up the decision of cutting down trees. They appointed more cutters to just make sure the work to be done by the end of the day.
Cut down the trees, not a single one should be left.
Stop it!
What are you up to now?
You cannot destroy our environment.
But we have got strict orders from the head.
If you really want to cut down the trees, you will have to cut me along with them.
Cut them along with the trees.
Amrita Devi leaves the world, leaving all the villagers in dismay. The woodcutters kept slaying many trees one after the other. But finally comes Sundarlal Bahuguna, an active environmentalist who takes the form to unite all the villagers to safeguard the trees and protect the environment. And further does his best to initiate people the importance of trees, realizing the sacrifice done by Amrita Devi not to go waste.
Trees and forests are an important part of our life. We will not let them get destroyed like this. The whites, they are here to plunder our forests just for their selfish intent and luxuries. But we will not let them butcher and slaughter our trees, not destroy the families of this village and not destroy the families of India. These whites have came here to destroy our land, our families and our freedom. These whites have came here to destroy our regime, and today we will not let them destroy anymore. We will stand between hells and heavens to stop them. And today it is our duty to protect the trees from the storm of colonial era.
The final day when the woodcutters are back.
Only few trees are left today, so the work should be done by today.
Stop it! We will not let you cut the trees.
But what you can do alone?
You have to cut me to cut the trees again.
No one can stop us.
Today, I am not alone here. The daughters of the motherland will protect the trees, will protect the forest, and will protect India. What do you mean?
Sundaral helps to bring the movement to prominence through 5,000-kilometer trans-Himalayan route undertaken from 1981 to 1983, traveling from village to village, gathering support. He had an appointment with then Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, and that meeting is credited with resulting in Gandhi's subsequent 15-year ban on cutting green trees in 1980.
We stand for what we stand on.
We stand for what we stand on.
A no means a no.
No means no.
Save trees, save life.
Save trees, save life.
Thank you.
Good morning to everyone, respected chairman sir, principal ma'am, teachers, dear seniors and juniors. Today is very auspicious day when Boone family, along with entire mankind participant, is celebrating the World Environment Day. Myself, Rudrajyoti Saha of Standard 8 is going to deliver a speech on the use of renewable energy to save land and forests. Forest is our friend as well as soil. As we all know, the root grabs the soil with the both hands from killing them, that is soil erosion. As we all know about the difference of renewable energy, it's high time to shift towards renewable energy. Our simple yet useful scientific choices can make a huge difference, like we can use solar light to brighten our streets. Under PM Suryodaya Yojana, solar plant can be installed at our home, which will reduce the dependency on thermal electrical energy, which is already 49.1% in the country. E-vehicles are already in market, and the use of fossil fuel, which is almost 65 crores liter per day, is reducing day by day. New technology of using UPVC and PVC in the doors and window frames reduce the use of wood, which in turn saves the land and trees. Thank you.
Sisters, today we the dancers of Gulmo House are going to represent Ahir. Is a tribal community of Madhya Pradesh. The term Ahir is derived from a Sanskrit word Abhir, which means
Good morning, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. We the Boni House dancers are going to represent a dance form called Manipuri dance, which is originated from Manipur. Manipuri dance, also referred to as the Manipuri Ras Leela, is a jagoi and is one of the major Indian classical folk dance forms. It is one of the greatest cultural achievements of the traditional Vaishnavism and the Meitei people of Manipur. Owing to the Meitei civilization, the classical dance form was formally developed by Meitei Hindu King Chingthang Khumba of the Kingdom of Manipur. Let's move forward to the dance.
ডান্সের পরে আছে হয়ে যাবে 10 মিনিটে Oi,
teachers, and all
forward.
my seniors and juniors. As we all know that India is famous for its variety of dance. Each dance represents different form of culture and tradition. Here we are representing a folk dance of Kerala by Rosewood House. The form of dance is Le Thaka, where a group of women perform to celebrate the harvest time of Onam. They hold a lamb in their hands and pray to their gods for good harvest. They dances with a basket in their hands. It seems like they are playing with the crop. And lastly, I would like to wish you all a happy Environment Day.
but dancing with your heart is another. Good morning to one and all present out here. Today, on the occasion of World Environment Day, Banyan House students are here to perform a Bengali folk dance on the song Khejur Gache Hari Baduma. Folk dance is considered as a part of the tradition of a particular area. Bengali folk songs have its own vibrant rhythm, tempo, infectious beats, and graceful gesture. This form of dance is more spontaneous and free-spirited. Bengali folk dance exuberance of rural life, particularly during the harvest season. This form of dance reflects upon the daily life of Bengal's people. It's accompanied by lively folk songs sung in the local dialect, praising the beauty of the nature, the simplicity of rural life, and the bond between the humans and to the surroundings. This song, Khejur Gache Hari Baduma, symbolizes a deep connection to the nature and to the rhythms of agricultural life. So join us as we honor the rich cultural heritage, the spirit and the rhythm of Bengal through this unforgettable performance by Banyan House. Thank you.
বেচপাড়িয়া রাজকুমারী গলায় চন্দ্রহার বেচপাড়িয়া রাজকুমারী পিছলা তলে ডুবলো সনাতন আজ সারা না কাল সারা না
Friends, you can cheer up your house members by clapping your hands. Please cheer up your dancers, house members.
নইলে রস গড়িয়ে গোড়া পচে নইলে রস গড়িয়ে গোড়া পচে অকালে হবে মরণ খেজুর গাছে হাড়ি বাঁধো মন খেজুর গাছে হাড়ি বাঁধো মন হাঁড়ি নিয়ে বসে দিয়ে বেঁধে তারে মাটির একখান হাঁড়ি নিয়ে বসে দিয়ে বেঁধে তারে দুপুরে করো তারে চলন চলন খেজুর গাছে হাঁড়ি বাঁধো মন খেজুর গাছে হাঁড়ি বাঁধো মন খেজুর গাছে হাঁড়ি বাঁধো মন খেজুর গাছে হাঁড়ি বাঁধো মন
Chairman sir, principal ma'am and teachers and everyone present out here. So today is the most precious day in where our planet Earth is going to get many new lives. So I am Aditya Sarkar, standard class 9 is going to deliver a short speech on the topic of waste disposal and modern approach. The domestic waste is a real problem in conserving soil. Having a compost pit at every houses can make things easier and keep the surroundings cleaner, which we have already learned by preparing a compost pit in our school recently. With growing population, we have grown the problem of disposing sanitary napkins and diapers. Sometimes this can be observed on our local roads. Investing in electrical incinerators or making earthen pot Ashuddhi Nashak can keep our soil and society clean and healthy. And last but not the least, if you can choose more usable cloth bags in place of polythene ones, leaf plates instead of thermocol plates, then we can make our world a beautiful place to live. Thank you and happy World Environmental Day.
And now we will see the points. Beginning with the fourth place. Judge 1, 15.5. The score likewise with Judge 1, 15.5. Judge 2, 14.5. Judge 3, 12. And Judge 4, 13.5. With a total points of 55.5. The fourth place goes to Gulmohar House. The second runner-up, that is the third place, with the scores 16.5, 15.5, 14, and 15. The total score of 61. It goes to Rosewood House. Now we have the two houses remaining, Ebony and Banyan. So I'm straight away going to declare the winner of the Inter-House Dance Competition 2024 with the score of 19, 18, 18 and 16.5, a total score of 71.5. The winner for 2024 Inter-House Dance Competition out of the two houses, Ebony and Banyan, the winner is Ebony House. The second place is acquired by Banyan House with a score of 17.5, 17, 18 and 14.5, a total of 67 points. Second place to Banyan House. Thank you very much for joining with us all together, also making a day very successful.
Restoration of land, desertification, and drought resilience. The theme of World Environment Day is restoration of land, desertification, and drought resilience. We have divided today's day in different events and phase. Like, it was very important that my girls get an incinerator machine which burns the sanitary napkins, used sanitary napkins in the school, so that we leave our girls, my girls live very honorably with the cleaning people. So we have a disposal incinerator machine been installed, which we inaugurated today. Next was, we had over 400 saplings been planted in a new piece of land, parallelly moving with the theme of World Environment Day 2024, restoration of land, desertification and drought resilience. Children, this is very important to plant trees, to save trees, as well as to nurture the trees that we have planted. Next was, we have given you the holiday homework, which is very important, to collect jackfruit seeds and mango seeds, which are the fruits of this season. When you are on holidays for 30 days at home, eat as much as you can and as many as you can, mangoes and jackfruit. And then please be very careful. At the back of your mind, you must always keep in that you need to save the seeds. You can also collect as many seeds from your neighborhood and just keep it collected, and we will give you a date in July when we come back that we collected. And then the chairman of the school have proposed a plan that these days, listen very carefully children, these days we often hear that elephants come to our villages, elephants destroy the houses, elephants killed so many people. Many of us are very busy making videos of elephants walking on the street, in the market. in all those places where the elephants are walking, where they should not be. That's not their place. They should not visit our house. We are invaded by numerous monkeys in our area. We only hear all things have been eaten. Fruits that I bought from the market and kept it in the kitchen, they are entering our houses, they are entering our kitchen. They even know, monkeys even know how to open casseroles and then eat the food that you have kept inside the casseroles. But then it's high time we all think about. So the collected seeds and as well as nearly 500 banana plants, banana baby plants, that is the saplings, have been ordered to a nursery nearby in Alipurdwar by the chairman, which we have, the chairman has proposed means planned to be contributed to the forest department nearby here. They will go to the forest and they will plant our seeds as well as the banana plants. What will happen? They will get, these plants will take some time to grow, these seeds will take some time to germinate, turn into saplings, turn into trees, and it will give some fruits, give fruits in the jungle for many of the animals. So we are on the path of being pioneer to provide food for animals in the jungle. So that let us start a very good theme of providing food, thinking for the animals to have food in their forests, so that animals, we will be followed by many others and we all will learn. Let us also give some food, or let us all grow some fruit bearing plants in the forest, so that the animals will be fed in the forest itself and they will not come to our houses, they will not destroy our lives. So they remain very peaceful as well as we all. So when we talk about, there are big speeches being made in the seminars about the ecosystem. So if we don't learn how to take this small step to start an ecosystem, then what did we learn and what did we get educated for? So that is why it has been planned and it has been done. Next, we also beautified our school by planting a lot of flowering as well as decorative plants by my junior classes. And then we had very beautiful, my music faculty teacher taught the children a very thematic song, Chalo Milke. So that was very beautiful song, and I will see that all of you hear that song, and children, please learn it as an anthem of World Environment Day. We need to remain very close to nature. So let us preserve our nature. You can see around in our school we have so many plants, and we always encourage all of you also to plant trees in your surrounding areas of your house. Then we had thank you to the choreographers, Miss Tania Chaudhary and Miss Shital Nag, who had choreographed so beautiful folk dances of different states of our country. These folk dances are very rare and we don't see such performances, such folk dances being picked up by choreographers to be choreographed, to be staged on the stages whenever there are competitions. It is only in our school that we do, and my teachers, my choreographing teachers, they pick up such rare folk dances which Indians have not heard about. So thank you so much, as well as my teacher, Mrs. Gopika Bhattarai, who brought the Chipko movement here. So thank you teachers, thank you judges, thank you children for being so kind in planting so many trees. Thank you so much.